Banggood lathe bar set. One of the 9 bars. This. Factory fault. Factory wrong. I'm going to show you what is the problem. I bought from this altogether 6 sets of this 9 pieces lathe bar set, and all of them, this type, are wrong. The problem is that the hole in this hole and the carbide insert hole are not aligned. As you can see, look at this, not aligned. The hole and the bar in the bar and the hole in the insert are not aligned. It's fault. As you can see, this hole must be out to the corner. It's not, the hole is not in his right place. Look at this. I can't fix in his place because the 2 holes are not aligned. This is the problem. It's not good. And all of the SCLCR 1616H09 lathe bars are wrong. This is the worst, all of them, but all of the 9 pieces SCLCR 1616H09 bars are manufacturing wrong, factory default. That's all. This is the problem. This is my big problem.